Today we start at the absolute beginning, the fiddle or the alphabet of Tigrinya. Tigrinya uses an abugida, which means each letter is a syllable with a consonant and vowel. The first two families or the first four families, the ha, la, ha and ma. First, let's learn our 7 vowels, which are the A, U, I, A, E. The 6th one we omit it, and the 7th one is O. These 7 vowels have a different sound in Tigrinya. A, U, I, A, E, I, O. Our first alphabet is Ha. This one, like H-A. H, A. This is a simple H sound, just like the H in the hello. Now let's apply our 7 vowel sounds with these 7 consonants. So say it with me: ha, hu, he, ha, he, h, ho. It's simple. This one is HA, this one is H, U. We add the 7 vowels with the H consonant. Who, he, ha, he, ho. But we don't add at the 6th element or at the 6th an vowel, because it sounded like h. Okay, now repeat after me: ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. The next one is la. We can write it like the LA. Repeat after me. La, lu, li, la, le, lo. It's the clear L sound, like the in love. It's new unique shape, LA. The 6th element, the 6th order, L, is crucial. It has the short sound and often acts as a placeholder or a consonant ending. Example, when you say let's say libbi, which means heart. Imagine telling someone in your family, you have a good libbi, or you have a good heart. That's L. Okay, our 3rd alphabet is Ha. Repeat after me: ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. It's just the same with the alphabet Ha. Notice that how the fourth element, the ha, hu, he, ha, the 4th has the longer a sound than the first. The first one is ha, the 4th is ha. This is important, and let's use an example. Haway for this one. Haway, which means my brother. Haway, brother. And our 4th alphabet of Tigrinya is Ma, like the M sound. It is written as Ma. Our 4th alphabet, Tigrinya alphabet, is Ma. It's just simple, like the sound M sound. And repeat after me: Ma, mu, mi, ma, me, mo. As the first alphabet he, hu, he, ha, he, ho, we wrote in English the H consonant. To the each H consonant we add vowels like the A vowel, U vowel, I vowel, A vowel, E vowel, and at the sixth order or at the sixth element we don't add a vowel, just we say as it is. We write it as it is, the only H consonant, h, and lastly we add to the H O vowel. If this video helped you, take your first step, subscribe now so you don't miss lesson 2. Hit the like button, it helps other Tigrinya learners find this community, and comment below and tell me why are you learning Tigrinya. I want to hear your story. Thank you for joining me. Keep practicing and keep that connection strong. Ciao.